everybody, it's Mindy, and boy, it's been a while since I have stood at this counter and recorded a video. So I hope I do a good job. I hope I remember how to do it. It's been crazy. Anyhow, this is from GBFKE. You know, I've said they're one of the companies I've worked with the longest. They just have some cool stuff. So let's get into it and I'll show you what we have. All right, set this aside and let's look at this first one. These are so cool. I love these. There were several of these, like this lantern-y type thing with butterflies and stuff in them, and I just think they're so pretty. So I chose one. I think there are like 3, 4 different styles. Anyhow, I like this one. So we got a butterfly in here. We got little things that are dangling down inside the lantern. Super pretty. This background does not get drills except for these few dots that you see, like few dots around will get a drill, but the rest of it is just printed. There is a lot to drill on this one, and when I look at these, I always try to find something that's not just rhinestones. So you'll see that we have some special drills up here. There are some special drills around here. Of course, there's going to be these larger ones at the bottom. So I always try to find something that has a good mix of rhinestones and larger drills. 14 different drills here. So let's look at them. I think they're going to be really pretty. So let's see. All right, what do we have? Let's start with our rhinestones. I always like to start with the rhinestones and then get to the exciting stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, just wait. Just wait till we get there. All right, gold rhinestones, a couple of very pretty blues. All right, we have a white AB. That's a smooth, round AB. That's really pretty. So that's going to be really nice. I'm going to assume it's going to make the actual lantern up through here. A teal. Oh, I love these. Oh, I'm so happy with these. I wish that all clear rhinestones were these. These are AB clear. They are, oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So much prettier than just the regular clears. I love those. A very light purple. And that's it for the rhinestones. Now we get into the larger ones. So we have a cobalt blue faceted. We have a clear iridescent. We have some big white pearls. I think those are going to go around here and around there, right? Oh my goodness. Look what we have. We have some square cubes. Love that. Okay, they're going to go here in between the pearls. And they're going to go like on the diagonal, you know? Make them look like diamonds. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. Then we have some pretty purple marquees, some clear marquees, and look at those. I got a peek of those when I open this up. Blue. Oh my goodness, that's going to be these drops down here at the bottom, right? Isn't this beautiful? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love it. I just love that one. Oh, wow. Okay. Makes me want to stop all the projects I'm working on and do that one because that is stunning. Okay, here was another like set. They had like these mobiles that were hanging, wind chimes, you know, sun catcher things. So very pretty. Again, none of the background is drilled, none of this, but I love that they have printed backgrounds. You do get a little bit up here. You get this little spray. Look, we got some little special ones in there. So we have this butterfly and flowers and gems that are dangling down. I love it. This one reminds me of an angel. Have you seen those, like the little crystal angels? Yeah. So how pretty is that one? Again, there were several varieties of this type. Okay. Let's look at the drills for this one. There's 12 drills for this one. And again, you'll see a theme here. I'm tending to get pretty much just all special drills from the budget-friendly companies. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here we go. So let's start with a little bit of black. And there they are again. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes, I love those. They are so pretty when they're on that painting. They're gorgeous. A little bit of gold. Okay, they also have the regular clear. Interesting. So you can see the difference here pretty distinctly. The AB and the regular clear. We have an aqua teal, a pink, Oh, that's gorgeous. Love that color. And here's our specials. We have a round faceted. We have those smaller marquee, clear, but they're AB. A pretty blue marquees. I have some teardrops, and I love these guys. Can never go wrong with those little snowflakey things. Look how shiny they are. Oh my gosh, you're getting some glare too, but they're super shiny. Love them. So these are fun, fun, and fun. Oh, they're ready to go right back in the bag. Look at that. Folded right up for me. I get lucky like that sometimes. All right, this one. Next. There were a few hearts also. So a lot of these, there's multiple choices within the same type of painting. So I got this one. Love it, right? Love it. This one gets some specks all around the background. So it's on a black background, but look at all the dots. And we're going to get some stars. We're going to get some pretty specials in here. That one's super pretty. Love that. It only has 7 different drills, but let's see what they are. Oh, this one's definitely going to have slivers. I'll show you. See how they make flowers with slivers? Flowers, flowers, flowers. I don't mind when it's like this. I mean, there are several of those, but you can get a little break. You know what I mean? I just don't like when there's just a whole field of slivers. All right, here's our drills. What do we have? All right, a very pale pink. That's really pretty. All right. There's some clear, some gold, yellowy gold, some greens. Our slivers are purple, so that will be pretty. All those little flowers will be purple. So see, that's all we have for slivers. It's not like 12 bags of slivers. I can handle that. Oh, there's some over here too. Mixed in with our gold stars, we have purple slivers and some pretty pink marquees. That's going to be for those flower centers. That one will be pretty as well, right? Love it. Love, love, love. Okay, couple more things. Oh, we have a toolkit. This is what toolkit looks like. Boat, wax, pen. And this one, again, there were multiple choices with like, is this like an egg? Egg, flowers, and seashells, right? I don't know. It was just pretty. We're going to have some slivers down here. This little field of flowers down here is going to be slivers. I really wish they would just take those flowers that you can get, the flower drill, flat back, like, what do we call it? Cabochon, something like that. And just boom, boom. They would be so pretty with just those flowers, right? Anyhow, our starfish, like that looks like a lily, some more shells down here. I just think this is like an egg, you know? We get some drills coming up here. They're going to look like bubbles, I think. Just bubbles coming up out of the water. Pretty. That one has 8 drills, 8 different types. So, let's see. What are they? Alrighty, here we go. We have green rhinestones, clear rhinestones, orange, yellow, pink, a blue, purple slivers again, and then pearls. So all of these little things here are going to be white pearls. They're going to look like bubbles. That's going to be cool. All right, so that's that one. I'm doing good at folding those back up right off the bat. And then the last thing, last one comes in a bag. It's wooden. Love it. You might already know what this one is. We have our toolkit in there. We have our wooden base. They're nice. I love the wooden stuff. They're cool. And you can tell what this is, right? It is a gnome. Yes. I got 2 that were the same. This one is different. Finally got one that was different. So look at him. He's a little gnome sitting in his eggshell. Got some flowers, and he's got bunny ears. Okay, a gnome, hat, and bunny ears. Super cute. I think this is all going to be rhinestones. So, well, so-and-so over there is talking. I don't know what she wants. Anyhow, look at that. That's super cute, right? So there's no legend for these. You just look at the bag, and the bag tells you what your symbol is for each color. If I can get it open, I'll show it to you. Okay, there we go. I need to just take a minute. I mean, it's Easter. As I'm recording this, it's Easter like in 2 days, 3 days. I missed out on doing anything for Easter. Gold, green, pink. Ooh, a lot of blue. Well, yeah, of course. Look at all the blue in there. A lot of blue. Clear. Another pink. Are they different? I don't know. Not a ton. Do you see much difference in those two colors? Not a lot. Interesting. An orange and another orange. I mean, they have different numbers. They're slightly different. Yeah, this one's more peachy. And then we have the gold or orange like claws. And we only need one. So they gave us 6. We need 1 right there. All right. Well, that's what we have, folks. And I would like to thank GBFKE for always trusting me and letting me show you great stuff. So here's what we have. We'll just kind of throw them out here for you again so you can see them real quick. And let me know which one was your favorite. I'm thinking I know which one my favorite is. I mean, I love the little gnome guy, but if I was going to pick one to do right now, I know which one I would do. Boom, right? That one's gorgeous. I mean, look at those. Look at those right there. That just makes you want to put those on there right now, doesn't it? Makes me want to put them on there right now. They got pearls and then those squares. Yeah, that's my favorite. Let me know what your favorite is. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'm glad to be back making some videos. And I mean, you've had videos all along, but they had been recorded so long ago. So now this is new, fresh stuff. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. And I hope you come back and see more good stuff. I have some really cool stuff to show you. Stuff that's similar to this. It's new and I think you'll like it. All right. Okay. Hope to see you soon. See you guys.